Oh, great day, man. Get him. Got him. Uh-oh. Get him through them stumps, man. Get him through them stumps. Do we need a net? Oh, 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 oh. I don't know if he's that little, Tony. Nice, buddy, nice. If he's 20, he's in the live well, man. Yeah, could be. That's what I'm talking about, bugs.
First look.
Yeah, man. I'm going to try to record you, but I'm going to try to throw over there myself.
Okay.
He's out?
Yeah, he's out.
I'm going to measure up. I'm going to measure up. He's going to make it. He's going to make it. He's going to make it. That's 20.
He's 21.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, bugs. Now let's do this. Let's make sure we got plenty of water in there. Put the plug in, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh. On the paddle tail?
Yeah.
Out in the middle. Watch that. Which way you going, bugs? That's a good striper, buddy. That's another keeper, I think. I don't want to scoop him yet until he's ready. Oh, over my head, over my head. Turn it. Oh, please don't get off. Man, that dude's strong. I didn't get him. I didn't get him. Get your face up here, man. I got him. He might not be as big as the other one. No, he's close.
He's close. He's
Yeah.
thicker too.
Oh. Good job, Boogie.
Thank you.
All right. He was out on the as farthest back we've ever caught one too, buddy.
I know.
2 keepers already. What's sad is that's the limit.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's 21 and a half. 22?
Yeah, 21 and a half.
Cool, man. Put him in the live well. We'll see if the other one's still healthy.
Yeah, the other one's still up and running.
Cool. So now we got a limit. You've got 2 limits.
Yeah.
But I boat captain gets half. Oh! I've got a limb right there. Where are you going? Right there, Tone. Nice, right there, Tone. Oh.
Yeah. He might be right at the cusp. Be careful, careful.
I know. Oh, he hooked my.
21 and a 21 and a half.
He hooked my shirt, the goofy. Look, he hooked my shirt. Right at 20. So we both got a keeper. Oh, sorry, buddy. Awesome, dude.
You thought they were all looking on my battery.
Oh my goodness, did you see him come out the water?
No, I looked over and I seen it.
Great day in the morning. Oh, great day. What in the world? Oh, you get him. Come on. You did pause. He crushed it 3 times. Where you at? Right there. Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him! I'm hanging on for a dear ride, dude. Oh my goodness, Tony. We're calling, buddy. We get this in.
Got it.
He came off. He came off.
Yeah.
He might be calling. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir.
At least you got him.
All right, let's see what that ruler is. I bet you he's going to be bigger than the ruler. He's 21 and a half. He's the same. You want to let the live one go? Or do you want to rotate him out?
That's a small one.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Can you pull him out? All right, let's make sure. Tony, they're identical. This is a big one. All right, so we're putting this one back in?
Yeah.
That's not a bad problem to have, dude.
It's not. It's not. Well, he had to be still over there.
I don't think it's the same one, Tony. I was up against the bank.
Okay.
All right, let's sneak down this bank a little bit more. We're getting ready. Oh, come on, Tony. Oh, yeah, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Wiggle it. Wiggle it. Oh, baby. Wow, it's kind of deep right here. Let's see what we got. Trout. Not a big one, but we got on them. Got one on. Oh, I thought he was all docile. I go to grab him and he throws a fit. All right, that's 2 species, Tone. Woo! See ya, buddy. Gotta be a little bit bigger. He was just straight down, man. There's one. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be deep enough. Ouch! He stuck that hook right on my finger, little punk. Yeah, he was down there, Tone. Right. How in the world? I didn't know it. This camera has a zoom feature.
Yeah.
It was zoomed all the way in. Thank you, buddy. There's one. Oh, check it out. Oh, come on now. By the time I get them up here. Unfortunately, this one's not. What was that?
I don't know. I was looking at you.
That was a fish?
Yeah.
That one's not big enough to keep.
Okay, what, 16 inches?
That's about what this is. They got to be 20.
20.
Oh. Go. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Good deal. Yeah. Is it your first trout? Or the trip? He's baby. Yeah. See ya, buddy. Straight up and down, buddy. Straight up and down, Tony. I still say they're one of the prettiest fish out there. See you, buddy. Yep, little one. See you, buddy. All right, one more flurry before we go, man. Somebody? Yep, get him. Oh. Oh, he knocked it clean out the water. He's right here.
There's three of them. There's three stripers.
Get him.
There's three of them. There's three stripers. Oh my God, I actually seen him.
Here he is, here he is. You gotta throw that thing in there, Tony. Yep. He's about 10 more foot. I was turning my camera off so I could edit my miss, and then you got to blow up right there. That's a good one, Tony. Oh, he missed. He missed. Oh, come on, Goofy. Man, that's a nice one, Tone. We wanted to come back in there for one more. He's off. Good deal. Open your mouth, buddy. He's gonna be 22. He don't want to let you grab him. He's 23 or 24.
Yeah, damn near. Get the camera on you.
Absolutely. You gotta smile a little better than that. You know that's a nice fish. There you go. Hey guys, me and Boogie out here fishing Elizabeth River. Man, did we get on a topwater striper bite or what?
We got on them.
We had a blast. We got 2 in the live well, 2 nice keepers, and we got on some trout. They weren't big ones, but we found some trout in the Elizabeth River. Thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see y'all later.
Peace.
Fishing with Boogie.